up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, please click on that link below and let me know if you do, and if you don't like Stitch Fix, and if you like these kind of videos and you're new here, please give it a thumbs up and just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I just want to let you know this sweater that I have here is from Madison and Mallory. I am going to be doing a video haul on all the items that I do have. I do have some other stuff coming. It should be here early next week, and then I will be taping it. So you might see that video before this one. So just stay tuned for that. So in the box, you get 5 items. You get your price sheet, which I'm going to look at now. And you have a style card, which is right here. And then you also have a return bag to send back any items that you do not want. So I'm gonna get into the bundle, so let's get to it. Here it is. Okay. A lot of paper. So here are the items. Okay, so we have the first item here, which looks like a black and gray striped top, and it looks like it has a crisscross in the front. It feels super soft, and this is very nice. And then you can see the back has the black on the sleeves as well as the bottom. So what we have here is the Pink Clover Haley Tulip Hemp Brush Knit Top in black, size extra small. Next item we have here is a top. It looks like it has a cow neck with some, looks like strings here. And this is another super soft top. It is black and white. It is very nice, super relaxed. Looks almost like a 3/4 length sleeve or just at the wrist type of top. So that is super cute. So you can see the top there. So I like that. And this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Torillo brushed cow knit top, dark gray. So I'll have all the items after I try them on in here, so you can ask your stylist if you do like them. So the next we have is another top like that, and this one is super cute. It has these different colors on the sleeve. It looks like a cream color. It also has a hood. So this is really nice. This is for like a more laid back type of day, and it does have strings here. So yeah, that's super nice. And this is Mix by 41 Hawthorne TryOn brushed knit hoodie off-white, size extra small. So that's really nice. I see a lot of people getting these in all different colors, but this is super soft. Oh, it looks like it has pockets in the front too. So it does. That is really nice. Cute. All right, so next we have here, oh, it looks like a cardigan. This is really cute. It looks like kind of like the gray one that I have, but in cream. And I am wearing a cream cardigan already. So here's this one. And I do love the gray one that I have in this, and I love it a lot, and it fits awesome, and I wear it all the time. So it's just a flat front cardigan. This is the Sophie Rue Demeter cardigan in beige. So that is really nice, and it feels cozy. Really nice. Next, we have a pair of jeans, and these are by Vigos, and they are 25, and I'll see if they have them in a 24. I always ask for a 24, but they always send me a 25. It has some distressing on the knee and a little bit in the pocket and nothing on the back. So these are super cute. And these are the Vigos Marissa Distressed Skinny Jean in Indigo, size 0. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so first we have is this cardigan. It is super cute. I do like this a lot. It is really nice, and it fits really nice. So yeah, I like how it is flat front on the top and nothing draping. So this is kind of like the gray one that I own. So I do like this one a lot. If it looks kind of like the one I had on, but a little bit more fitted. So yeah, it is super cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Next we have are the jeans. These fit really nice. They fit perfect here in the waist and here. Very nice. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I do like the distressing here and here. So they are really nice. They're not like super baggy here in the waist either. So they're a little bit more fitted and they fit perfect back here. So yeah. Okay, next we have is this top. It has this on the sides and I do like this on the arms. It has this, it has pockets. It is super cute. It has a hood and it's nice cream color, kind of the theme in this box. It's like either creams or blacks. So I like it. Yeah, this fits really nice. Super laid back, super cozy. And yeah, I do like it. All right, next we have is this top. Your guys are a little bit crooked here. It's really comfortable and cozy. I do like it with these jeans. It has the strings right here and the cowl neck, which I do like in these type of tops. Here is the material. It is super soft. No pockets in the front, just flat, and it does go up on the sides. So this is one that is really nice. And it's just a plain item, nothing crazy. It is super cute, it goes with everything, and it does go with the jeans. Next is this top. It is super cute. I do actually like it on. It looks better on than holding it up. And yeah, it looks nice. I do like the color. I do like how it comes up. It would look good with some black pants. It is a dressier top. So yeah, I mean, it is super cute. The stuff in the box is really nice. It does all go with this jeans. And yeah, I think it looks great. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. All right, so I'm back. I still have the jeans on. I do like them a lot. They do fit great. So they are possibly in the keep. They are $68. Next we have is this black top, and this is by Pink Clover, and this is $38, which isn't bad for that. Next we have this top. I think this was by Mix by 41 Hawthorne, and $38, not bad. Next, this other top that was by Mix by 41 Hawthorne with the sleeves, $38. And then the cardigan for $48. Total was $230, buy all 5 discount, $57.50, $172. And then I have a styling fee of $20, and that would bring it down to $150, $250. Not bad. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm not sure what I'm going to be keeping, so I'll leave it in the comment box below. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.